Teeth whitening is a popular treatment in salons and spas, but it is important to make sure that you are fully trained before offering this service. There are safety considerations, regulations, and contraindications that you need to be aware of. You will also need to learn how to apply the gel correctly and understand the importance of providing a thorough consultation and aftercare advice. With the right training, you can add teeth whitening safely and confidently to your salon's list of services. Adding teeth whitening to your salon can increase client services and profits. However, there are certain regulations and training requirements that must be met before offering this service. All staff members performing teeth whitening treatments should have a full understanding of the procedure, including the specific products used, the length of time for each treatment session, and the potential risks involved. They should also be trained in contraindications for whitening and safety protocols to ensure clients receive effective treatments with minimal risks or discomfort. Aftercare advice is an important part of any professional teeth whitening service, so practitioners should also have a good understanding of how to advise their clients on maintaining their results for as long as possible. Thermal activated gels can cause sensitivity during application and following treatment, so it is essential that practitioners are aware of pre-treatment measures they can suggest to reduce discomfort levels from sensitivity. If you own or manage a beauty salon and are interested in offering teeth whitening services, you may want to consider purchasing a teeth whitening system from Teeth Whitening Wholesale. There are several benefits of purchasing teeth whitening products and systems from us. 1. Cost savings. Our wholesale prices are typically lower than other suppliers, allowing you to purchase high-quality teeth whitening products at a lower cost. 2. Increased profitability. By offering teeth whitening services in your salon, you can increase your profitability by providing a new and in-demand service to your clients. 3. Convenience. Teeth Whitening Wholesale offers a variety of teeth whitening products and systems, allowing you to choose the best option for your salon and clients. 4. Customization. Teeth Whitening Wholesale offer customized teeth whitening products with your brand on the packaging, so you can promote your brand, not someone else's. 5. Brand recognition. By purchasing teeth whitening products from a reputable wholesale supplier, you can build your brand recognition and reputation as a provider of high-quality teeth whitening services. It is important to purchase from a supplier with a reputation for quality and low ongoing prices. Additionally, it is important to comply with all relevant regulations and laws to ensure that you are offering teeth whitening services safely. Teeth Whitening Wholesale has got you covered with fully compliant products, equipment, and training at the best prices in the industry.